Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a wing install again. Previously I found a black trunk on Facebook and that's what I was using, and I was going to end up painting it. I did the holes and everything, but I never made a video on when I had this black trunk. But I ended up finding this red trunk because somebody wanted the OEM wing and he wanted to sell it. So I suggested we just trade because he didn't have a wing and I didn't want holes in the OEM one. So got an NFR hood and I just polished it out because it had scratches. So just did a polish on it. And we're going to be installing my J's Racing Wing. So I got everything measured out here. So I went ahead and taped it up and set these little plates on here like this and traced them out here on both sides. So then if you want them even on both sides, you need a reference point. So what I was using was this corner right here. I just measured out I went about 9.5. This is just for looks. I like how it looks towards the end here, but I know there are some racing classes where you can't have it this far back. You have to have it a little farther up, but that's up to you. On this side as well, I measured 9.5, taped it off and traced it, and now I'm gonna center punch these holes and get a pilot hole drilled out, and that's where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna get it drilled out and we're gonna try to put the wing on. Alright, now it's time to drill. I just center punched those holes. And then I got a little rag down here and plastic bag to catch the shavings. And then just gonna drill these with the small one first. It's a 5/64 inch. And then I'm gonna bump it up to the 3/16 after that. So I'm gonna drill this out. Watch it. And all the holes lined up. Just put it on there just to see if it moved or not. So the holes are good. And here's the touch-up pen I have, New Formula Red from Honda. That's what it comes in. Just gonna paint right over the top the stickers and then peel them off after it dries. And here's the finished product, y'all. Mounted on there, looks pretty good. Got color matched trunk now. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. Bye.